I'm sitting on the side of the Renew by US Mattress Restored Plush Pillow Top Mattress. As you can see, with all my weight on the edge support is holding my weight very nicely. It's a comfortable seat for me, so if you did like to use your mattress to sit on the side of it to put on your socks or shoes in the morning, you could very easily do that. Or if while sleeping at night you like to sleep right up to that edge, you could do that too, knowing you're not going to slide off, because that edge support is going to hold your weight very nicely whether you're sitting or laying on the edge. Laying on my back, this is a very comfortable feel for me. I have a personal preference of a softer mattress, but with that said, it's still a very comfortable feel. I'm sinking in and getting support in all the right areas where you need support, and no pressure whatsoever for a back sleeper of my body type. And now laying on my side, again, it's a very comfortable feel for me. There's no pressure in my shoulders where you would normally feel pressure for a side sleeper. My hips are also very comfortable. So overall, a very comfortable feel for a side sleeper of my body type. So overall, if you have my body type and you're looking at the Renew line here, I think I could easily recommend this for you if you're a back or a side sleeper. However, if you're a stomach sleeper, you probably want to go with the Renew Firm, which will help support your midsection better at night.
We hope you found this video helpful, but if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at 1-800-455-1052. Or you can leave us a message on this video. We'd love to hear from you. Or if you'd like, during normal business hours, you can speak with a member of our chat team.